Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I got BMW 3 Series. Basically, customer told this vehicle has a coolant leak, but he tried to figure out, he can't figure out where it's leaking from. Look like to me like this problem I'm not take any serious. Sometimes it could be tiny tummy aches, sometimes could be cancer. But I'm going to show you step by step how am I going to diagnostic this problem. This customer told he had maybe 10-20 liters for the past following week, and still he couldn't identify where it's leaking and what's going on there. Right, okay, first thing first, we need to add something here. Most time like this problem, I'm going to use water, because if I use coolant, I need to charge for the coolant. Because of that, I'm going to use water. Then after that, once I do the job, then I'm going to flush the system and refill with the coolant. Then I don't want to waste unnecessary money. But however, customer confirmed to me he already used the water, then I don't want to worry anything. I'm straight using water for this car without get any permission from the customer. Right. First of all, I'm going to add the water here. I don't want to jack up the car. I don't want to go underneath the car at the moment. Just add the water to the reservoir. Right. Sometime if it's the heavy leak, we can see somewhere pouring. If it's like a tiny leak, we need to leave the car starting. Sometimes we need to go underneath. I don't know at the moment, but I can hear something pouring from that side. I don't know, you can hear. I can hear, but same time, if you're not sure, fill up the water and come little bit this way and have a look underneath any leaking from the underneath. I can see in passenger side something dripping. You can see something dripping from the passenger side. Right. Then I don't want to go underneath. I feeling something coming from this side because I heard something coming from this side. Right. We'll see. I need a like this torch. Right. I can see here this area very wet. What I'm going to do, this hose, I'm going to quiz and have a look. Have a look this hose, because I feeling. Can you see? Can you see? Yes. See, this is the problem. I feeling this plastic pipe, this pipe broken. That's why the water coming out. Very easy, yeah? Once I get the part, I'll show you what happened and what's going on. I'm going to order the parts and come back to you. If you have a like this problem, no need to panic. Just take your own time at the water. Go with the visually, have a look. Anything leaking? If you're not sure, go a little bit backward, see underneath leaking, then you can identify it straight. Then after that, if you need a part or something, or if you need to inform to the garage, see this hose, very easy. It start from the radiator. This is the hose, and this hose straight going in and in and in and there. See, it's going there to the engine head. Right. Then you can call to your garage and say, my coolant leaking. One end start from the radiator, other end going to the engine or cylinder head or engine head. Then mechanic know exactly, okay, this is a pipe you need to reset. Then they can price you up easily. Right. Once I get the part, I'll show you. I got the part. Basically, I feel somewhere here or here or here or anywhere it could be cracked. That's right. It's pouring the water out. Once I remove and take it out the old part, and I'll show you what's the problem. See you soon.